RVA Today, sponsored by Renewal by Andersen.
Welcome back to RVA Today. I'm your host, Naomi Brackett, and today we are standing in front of this beautiful home with windows provided by our sponsor, Renewal by Andersen. And I'm joined by Lucy O'Shields. Hi, it's so great to have you.
Hi, it's so great to be here. Look at this.
This is a beautiful home, and not only is it beautiful, but it also is cost efficient and comfortable because the Department of Energy has said that up to 30% of your home energy costs could be literally flying out the window because of faulty, drafty windows. So it's super important to keep those updated, replaced as they start to have issues.
Yes. Oh, it's so important. In fact, you know, our company creates the best windows. And
tell me about this material that you guys have. Yeah.
Well, we have this composite, this proprietary composite material called Fibrex.
Okay.
You know, a lot of people don't know that there's an alternative to that vinyl window out there, right? So it's actually beautiful and elegant like a wood window, but you don't have to paint it and scrape it like you do a wood window.
That's huge.
It is huge. It's virtually maintenance free. So it's also 2 times stronger than vinyl, so it's not going to warp and crack and bend like a vinyl window can. It's really important.
So you've got that durability and that beautiful look.
Yes.
So let's also talk about, when you talk about, you know, a full service window company, what exactly can folks expect?
Oh, it's great. We actually take the middleman out of it. So we have one company accountability.
Okay.
And really what that means is that we handle everything for the homeowners from sales to manufacturing to the installation and warranty. So we handle every part of that project
to finish
for them.
all the way through.
Exactly. Customers love it. It's hands-free.
That's great. Great in a company. And of course, you guys not only are the window experts in the Richmond and Virginia area, but also you guys do great work with entry doors and patio doors. And I want to focus in on those patio doors because I know you have some great style options.
We do. We have so many different ones. A lot of the popular ones are going to be your French door and even your gliding door.
Okay, yeah.
And just like our windows, you have so many different choices. You can do different hardware styles and grill options as well as colors. You know, our gliding patio doors also come with our dual ball bearing rollers, which makes it easier to open close. I don't know if you've experienced the hard to open and close gliding door.
No good.
No good. But all of our patio doors come with our weather stripping, and that's going to really allow for that maximum energy efficiency and keep your home comfortable year round.
So important. Well, if people at home are ready to upgrade to new windows or doors, tell them about the special offer you guys have going on right now.
Yes, right now through October 31st, you can get all of our windows, all of our patio doors, and all of our entry doors for 20% off.
Wow, that's
I know. So until October 31st, also you can get an additional $350 off your entire project, and with our neat financing options, you won't pay anything until next October 2025.
Wow. A full year, no payments.
Full year, so no payments, no interest.
That's
no money down.
Yes. If you are ready to upgrade your home, you can schedule that free in-home consultation by calling the number on your screen or by visiting qualityyoutrust.com. Lucy, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching RVA Today. We'll see you next time.